Hi everyone. Today I'll be providing you with a quick overview of Uniview's new price list, which was released earlier this month. There are a couple interesting new additions, including a brand new Uniview 4-channel and 6-channel kit, as well as their new Analog ColorHunter series, and a new AI smart box for intelligent edge computing. First, we have the new Uniview 4-channel and 6-channel kits. These come with the 301-S3 series NVRs, which have 4K HDMI output, built-in PoE, and up to 4 channels of AI analytics, such as line crossing and ultra motion detection. The 4-channel kit comes with 4 4-megapixel turret cameras, a 4-channel NVR, and a 1TB hard drive. The 6-channel kit comes with 6 cameras, an 8-channel NVR, and a 2TB hard drive. These kits are both affordable and professional. They are a great way to get started with Uniview and perfect for residential or small commercial buildings. Next, we have the new 5-megapixel Analog ColorHunter cameras from Uniview. We have a full review up on our website, so be sure to check that out for full in-depth coverage. Basically, this is Uniview's first entry into the analog camera market. These cameras are a good option for upgrading older analog devices. They're compatible with TVI, CVI, and AHD recorders, including DVRs from Hikvision and Dahua. Finally, we have the new AI Smart Box. Unfortunately, we don't have too many details yet, but this is basically a small computing server that allows for analysis of up to 4 or 8 cameras, depending on which model you choose. It includes different AI algorithms, such as rat detection, loitering detection, smoke and fire detection, and fall detection. We plan to do a video covering more features of the Uniview AI Smart Box in the future. Be sure to subscribe so you won't miss it. To download the latest Uniview price list, you will need to log into our website, www.xlrsecurity.com, with your dealer account. If you don't have an account yet, please reach out to one of our sales team and we'll get you set up right away. I hope you learned something new about Uniview's latest products. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.